Bonjour à tous, welcome everyone. Aujourd'hui, je vais faire la journée du 20, laissez-moi voir, le 30 avril 2025, un recap. Ok, let's see. Vous devriez voir mon écran sans problème. Ok, je vais m'assurer que mes chandelles bougent à la bonne vitesse. Là, je peux voir qu'il est minuit 5, minuit le 30 avril. Right click, je vais aller directement à 9h34 qui est le début de ma journée. 9h34 09 34. L'idée encore, c'est d'aller chercher 3 trades de 105 $. Ok. Là, je vais voir si mes chandelles bougent bien. Ok, ça fonctionne bien. Je vais tirer ma ligne à 9h29 qui me dit le début de ma session. Donc 9h30 pour le Nasdaq. Je vais faire ma ligne un petit peu plus épaisse ici. Ok, là je vais faire ma boîte. Doing my box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Okay, so the idea here is to see a candle to close above or below the box, from the highest wick of a candle to the lowest wick of a candle. 5 candles represent one. I'm looking at the 5-minute chart on the top right here. 5 candles on the 1 minute represent 1 candle on the 5 minutes. Ok, donc j'ai 5 chandelles dans ma boîte. Et j'attends d'avoir une chandelle qui se ferme soit au-dessus ou soit en dessous pour faire mon entrée. Aller chercher 105 $. Je fais le Nasdaq. June 25th. Sur ma 5 minutes, même chose. June 25th. C'est ma 15 minutes ici, à droite. Et tout à fait à droite en bas, c'est ma 60 minutes. De la 60, on peut voir qu'on descend. We're going down on the 1 hour, the 15 minutes, and as well as on the 5 minutes. Just recently went back up. Après avoir touché le pivot, we touched the pivot point. Going back up here. All right, let's see what's going to happen here. I'm going to go in 3x, 3 times the actual speed of a candle, 3 fois plus vite que la vitesse d'une chandelle en réalité. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, my candle started at 31, ended at 35. Ok, je vais augmenter ma vitesse, increasing my speed. So, you can see guys, vous pouvez voir the big yellow line here, la grosse ligne jaune ici, c'est un trend line, so it's telling me that we are in a downtrend. La ligne jaune ici, elle me dit qu'on s'en va vers le bas, donc une trend vers le bas. On est allé vers le bas jusqu'à, disons, 8:49 until 8:49 this morning. We're going straight down. Consolidation, consolidation all the way here. Now we don't know if we're going to keep going up or down, going down or up. On ne sait pas encore. This purple line, if I double click on it, I know it's a prior week. Something important below. So last week that was the lowest we went through. So it most likely I think it's going to rebound. Let's see. C'est la ligne qui me dit que la semaine dernière on était au plus bas. On va voir ici si ça va continuer à augmenter ou si on va continuer vers le bas. 5 chandelles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ok. 6. Did you see this candle closed right? Let me be very clear here. See how this candle closed right below the purple, the blue box. La chandelle ici, elle a fermé juste en bas de la boîte bleue ici. This is a doji, right? So we don't know if it's going up or down. On ne sait pas si ça va aller vers le haut, vers le bas. C'est un doji. The wick is almost equal lengthwise to the bottom wick. So what I would do here is, I can see on my 5 minutes, je regarde ma 5 minutes, ma 15 et ma 60. Les trois, on voit qu'on s'en va vers le bas. Those 3, 5, 15, and 60, we're all going down. So what I'm going to do right now is, in real time, I would wait until I get to 5 seconds. And I would probably make an entry. I think I've got a good chance to be able to get my $100. $100 again. Well, how? This is 11 ticks to contract. My stop loss is at 55, which I readjust all the time, and you'll see me doing just that. So, alors 5 minutes, là je vais cliquer sur ma play et je vais faire un sell tout de suite.
Order submitted.
Et je m'attends, je vais bouger mon
Target filled.
target fill, on est allé chercher. Regardez mon ATR, my ATR 27.42, which is a great ATR to do the type of trading that I'm doing, especially when I'm trying to get 2.75 points. Donc, mon ATR, average true range, est à 27.42, qui est très bien pour le genre de trading que je fais en ce moment, surtout si je vais aller chercher seulement que 2.75 points. Let's go back again, speed 10. All I need, guys, is 3 trade for $330, and then I could do some copy trading. I'm building up an account right now. Okay. Je fais mon carré, I'm doing my square. I started at a 1, and I'm going to end it at a 5. Because these 5 candles represent this candle on the 5 minutes on top. Les 5 chandelles de la 1 minute représentent sur ma 5 cette chandelle-ci. So let's keep going. Okay, so we're going up right now. Beaucoup de résistance, a lot of resistance up here, right? We got my 9, my 20. We got the previous week low. Okay, j'ai 5 chandelles ici. I've got my 5 candles starting at 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Okay, so let's see what happens. If it's going to go up or down. We are in a downtrend, right? Right? Remember, guys, we're in a downtrend, and we had some consolidation here. Then going back down, we passed this prior week low. On a passé le plus bas de la semaine dernière. So the trade tells me we're going to keep going down. Then we have a pullback. I could do a bearish flag like this, qui me dit il y a des bonnes chances qu'on va descendre. Okay. Now this is normal that we're coming back and to touch the prior week low. Now we should really be going down. Donc c'est normal qu'on revienne toucher le prior week low et qu'ensuite qu'on retombe. Let's see on the right, the 5 minutes, everything is cleaned. The 15 minutes, what do we have? We have a pivot here at 849. And look, this is good, the 1 hour. We have what, 7 minutes to this red candle to close below the prior week low. La chandelle rouge ici qui va se fermer bien vite dans 7-8 minutes en dessous de la semaine dernière, le plus bas que ça a été. So let's go. So I need 2 more candles before making a move. If it closed below my box, this is here. Encore une autre chandelle, à voir si je m'en vais vers le bas. vais faire ma boîte. So I got 5 candles. J'ai 5 chandelles. Je vais faire ma boîte. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like we're consolidating. On dirait qu'on fait une consolidation maintenant. Non? OK. J'ai arrêté ici. I've got 24 seconds left. 14 seconds, 4 seconds. Okay, I went too fast. But what do I see here? I see I'm below this support. This is a support, dotted line. C'est un support, but I can see that my candle, the red candle, closed below. Well, it's about to close in 4 seconds below. And the wick went even a little bit more down. So I got an ATR of 26. Mon ATR est à 26.58, very good for getting 2.75 points. I really think clean here on the 5, clean on the 15, clean on the 1 hour. I really think I can get my $110. I'm going to click here and then I'm going to go sell.
Order submitted. Target filled.
Okay,
Target filled.
Je suis rendu à 215. One more trade and I'm done. Une autre trade, puis j'ai fini pour la journée. Je vais augmenter la vitesse encore à 10. The idea, guys, is to get your $300 and get out. If you keep staying in there, you're going to break your neck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chandelles. Started at 5, ended at 0, which is good. On voit que we're trying to go back up a little bit. Nasdaq is moving, showing some strength right here to go back up, but we're still in the trend. Look on the 5 minutes, going down, going down. The 1 hour seems to be going up a little bit at this moment. Je vais faire ma boîte. Let me do my box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if this candle goes and close above here, I'm not going to get in. Why? Because I have my 50 and I've got this power week low. C'est la raison pour laquelle je ne rentrerai pas dans ma trade, même si cette chandelle verte se ferme ici au-dessus du fait que j'ai la 50. Puis j'ai la semaine dernière, le plus bas que ça a été. So let's see what happens. Could be a reversal. Okay, stop, yep. Going back down again. Regardez la 5. Look at the 5 minute. All right. Okay, let's stop here and let's take a look. Remember, I'm going in fast mode right now, right? Because I just want to do a recap of what happens. Do it get 5. I want to see. I want to explain to you guys as I go. Je vais vous expliquer au fur et à mesure que j'y vais. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's go. When you go above a big resistance here, this purple line, it's normal that it wants to go back down. It's not going to go back up right away. Okay, now what do I have here? I've got this green candle and I've got a pivot here. How many points I have between? Combien de points j'ai entre ceci? De 19, de 37, 48. I got about 10 points, 11 points. Wicks seems it's going up. Look on the 5 minutes. You know, I don't really feel comfortable right now. Je me sens pas très confortable. Well, we had a cross. Look, la 9 et la 20. 9 and 20 crossed here, right? It's going up. 50 is going up. I could take a chance. Let's see what happens right before 5 seconds. Let me go down like this. If the wick goes and touches too close, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, look. 5 seconds, right? Usually I would make an entry right here, but I'm not. And the reason is because of the pivot here. And this one here is the 105. 105 is my 20 here. On the 5 minutes on top. La ligne ici bleue, c'est ma 105. Ma 105 représente la 21 sur la 5 en haut à droite. La 21, la bleue ici, c'est le bleu là. The 21 here on the 5 minutes is the 21 right here. But here we call it the 105. I think I put 10. I should put 105. Okay. Let me do save my workspace. So would I go in? No. It could go through. Je pourrais faire des sous ici, mais j'ai décidé de pas rentrer. Yep, I would have made it, but I decided not to. I thought we were going to go down, like not even getting 3 points. Even, well, you know, I got a 28 ATR, which is good. Mon ATR est à 28, très fort, donc j'aurais peut-être pu aller chercher de toute façon. Let's do my 5 lines. The idea is I don't want to take any risk. Less risk, better it is. Look, closing right here. I could go in. I've got all these big candles right here. Right? Green, green, green. Green, green, green. I'm hitting the 21 here on the 5 minutes. Je touche la 21 sur la 5 minutes. Now, should I get in or not get in? Well, let me tell you something. I want to show you. I need to get my pen. Where is it? Okay, there it is. Okay, look at my pen here is most likely we're going to revisit this line because it's a strong support, a pivot. We may go all the way down to revisit this. We may go and revisit this. So from this area to this area, we're looking at a lot of points. We're looking at 60, 9, 60, 50 points times 2 is 100 times 2. Because I've got 2 contracts, parce que j'ai 2 contrats, this is $1,000 right here. You know, guess what, guys? I'm not going there right now because I know I should be getting something better coming up soon. Je vais pas faire de rentrée ici parce que j'ai l'impression que c'est descendu pas trop bas, mais c'est descendu probablement 450. Ah là, ça continue de descendre. J'aurais été à $800. J'aurais eu des gros battements de cœur. I would have a real big heartbeat because I can blow up my account. Okay, see, really. Now, something very important here. Quelque chose de très important. Most of the traders, they don't put this line here, the blue line here, which is a 20 on the 5, which is 5 times more, 105 because it's a 21 really. And you see how we did a rebalance? That's why I put this line there, because it works. Okay? No nonsense. Everything you see here, I'm trying to find a reason why to make a call. Yes or no. 2, 4, 5. This is 6, 0. Okay. Let's keep going now. Okay, I'm going to draw my box. $47, $41, $35, $29, $23, $16. Okay. Big candle, another one, long wick. We crossed the 105. If it closes above, look what I got here. So let's think on the 5 minutes, I'm quite far away from this resistance. There's a resistance right here. Okay. And if I look back, you see this dotted line. Ça, c'est une résistance. Et il y en a une autre. There's another resistance right here. So I like to draw my lines like this. Could be red, same for the red. The red that would be a support, you know. So look how it went all the way down to this line. There's not, there's no coincidence anywhere. Il n'y a pas de coïncidence nulle part ici. There's always a reason why something is doing something. It's our job to find out why. And once we know why, we can prevent any issues or any entry, no good entry. Pas de coïncidence ici, tout a une raison. Donc, let's see. I'm gonna go a little faster. Doji, not too sure where it's gonna go, but it looks like it's gonna go up. Nope. Let's be patient, on va être un peu plus patient. It's all about patience. Now, let's see if this candle closes. It closed below, so I'm gonna wait for this one to finish. Okay, 8 seconds left. Look at the distance here. We have a 290. Okay, 302. 12 points. Here it's not bad, not bad. Not ideal, guys, but not that bad. So I could do... Je pourrais faire une entrée ici. C'est pas l'idéal, mais c'est pas à plaindre.
Order submitted.
I'm hoping it's gonna go back up. See, it's taking time. I don't like minus 315. I don't like that. So if it goes back up in the green, I'm closing it. Si elle retouche, quand elle va remonter, je vais arrêter. 30 seconds. Usually it should be going back up now. The first 30 seconds in one direction, the next 30 seconds, quite often it goes in the other direction. I don't like it, guys. When you have to wait like this, it's no good. Should have been more patient.
Target filled. Target filled.
Okay, I got it. I don't like it. And I don't like not liking what I do, right? J'ai pas aimé ce que j'ai fait, puis j'aime pas ça faire des choses que j'aime pas. Donc, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 5, 5 candles. Okay, I got in here. I got out there. Now, I could wait. My day is done, by the way, right? Ma journée est finie maintenant. J'ai mon $320, un compte. En utilisant Replicanto, ce compte-ci a été ici et je pourrais avoir mes 5, 10, 15, 20 comptes et je pourrais faire la copie des 3 trades que je viens de faire. So 320, if I've got 5 accounts, it's $1,600 I just made. What time is it? We've got 10:26. By the way, I forgot to do something. J'ai oublié de faire quelque chose. Tous les matins, every morning at the opening, I do my 2 lines here. I'm calling it the opening range. Everything I'm doing here, I just learned from other people. And then I, mixed it up with my own flavor, maybe I can say. And now I'm just using my own stuff. But the 15-minute range, I got that from a few guys. It's all out there. Donc, 15-minute range is the first 15 minutes of the day. Le premier 15 minutes de la journée. Le cycle le plus haut au cycle le plus bas. Le cycle le plus haut, le premier 45 minutes, c'est fait juste ici. Disons ici. Et le cycle le plus bas, the lowest tick in the first 45 minutes, lowest candle, including the tick, it was right here. That's my opening range. So the opening range is telling me what? It's basically telling me that we could travel between these two yellow line all day. On pourrait se promener à l'intérieur de ça. But usually as soon as we cross and we have a candle that closes, right? Usually we're going to come back, go back up, and right here I would make an entry and we could move up. Same for the downside, right? Même chose pour le bas. Okay, and this is the center of the what do we call it? Opening range. And usually it goes like this. So no trade. Pas de trade dans cette région-ci au centre des deux lignes jaunes. Okay. Now, so I got my $320, right? So I'm just calling it the day. I'm done. I don't need to do any more trades. I could do more trades, of course, until if I didn't get my 2 trades right, my 3 trades right now, I would continue until 11:15, 11:20. That's it. Then I stop. Because this is when the European and the New York Stock Exchange, both markets are actually working in tandem. So we have a lot of volatility and a lot of volume. So it's easier for me to get my trades. Okay, 1 trade here, 1 here, 1 here, 320 for the day. All right, and we did that in about an hour. All right, you take care, guys. Bye bye. Merci.